Here are 5 common medical terms that are easily mispronounced. The first is this word. There are actually 2 accepted ways to pronounce it. The first is debridement. Debridement. The second accepted pronunciation is debridema. Debridema. Debridement or debridema is the surgical removal of lacerated, devitalized, or contaminated tissue. Debridement, debridema. Our second word is ophthalmology. Ophthalmology, which is a branch of medical science dealing with the structure, functions, and diseases of the eye. Ophthalmology is as commonly misspelled as it is mispronounced. Third word is dehiscence. Dehiscence, which is a splitting open or bursting along a line or seam. The term dehiscence is commonly used when referring to a wound which has opened up. Next up is radiation. Radiation. So it's not radiation or radiation, it's radiation, which is the process of emitting radiant energy in the form of waves or particles. In medicine, we usually use radiation when referring to X-rays, CT scans, or in radiation therapy. Our last word, rheumatology. Rheumatology. It's not rheumatology or rheumatology, it's rheumatology, which is a medical science dealing with various conditions characterized by inflammation or pain in muscles, joints, or fibrous tissue. Rheumatology.